What can you expect when you're expecting? Oftentimes you can expect to be pretty tired. You're nourishing a baby, and so sometimes there isn't much left for your body. So we're going to do a short yoga video that you can do if you are pregnant. This will be good for all trimesters. Starting off, we're just going to look off to the right side. We're going to take the right hand, walk our fingers out, bring that right arm up, and lean to the side. Try to pull that right shoulder back, bring the left shoulder forward. Just sink into the pose. Feeling a good deep side stretch on that right side. Excellent. Switch sides. Bring that left arm up. Again, bring that right shoulder forward, the left shoulder back. Just letting the head be soft and the neck be soft, letting the head fall down. Great. Come back. Bring the hands to the knees. And we can just take the head, drop it forward, let it roll to the right side. Take that left ear and try to press it towards the ceiling. Roll it back to center, roll it to the left side. Take the right ear now, try to press it up towards the ceiling. A couple more times. Just let the shoulders relax and release. Come back to center. And then try to get that right ear up towards the ceiling. Again. Feeling a deep stretch in the neck. Nice work. We can do some seated cat-cows now. Just up nice and tall. Take the hands, slide them back towards your body, open up the chest, let the head fall back. Exhale, roll in, slide the hands down the legs, arch the spine, pull the belly button in towards the spine, round the upper back. Good. Again. Inhale, slide the hands back, shoulder blades come together, elbows come towards each other. Roll in on your exhale. And one more time. Great. Now bring the soles of your feet together for bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. You can push your heels together and engage your glutes. Let that be the action that pushes your knees towards the floor. If it feels good to you, you can take your hands, open up your feet. Step nice and tall, and perhaps drop your chin towards your chest as you pull yourself forward, if that feels good. Nice work. Come back up. Make your way to your hands and knees. Hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. We can just move from side to side now. Drop the hips to one side, turn the head and shoulders to the opposite side, moving organically for a few breaths. Feeling a good stretch. If you're feeling up to it, if you have the energy, bring your hands under your shoulders, tuck the toes under, make your way to plank position, reach through the heels, draw the tailbone down towards the floor, maybe drop the torso from one side to the other, have the arms really strong, pressing the hands into the mat. Good. Come back to your hands and knees. Now you want to tuck your toes under, bring your hips up in the air, Press yourself back into downward facing dog and just walk it out. Push one heel to the floor as you bend the other leg. Let your knees be soft. Press your thumb and first finger into the floor, the fleshy part between the two. Spin your elbows down towards the ground, widen through your collarbones, and then try straightening your legs. And then just lift that right leg up in the air. Spin the pinky toe down towards the ground as you keep pushing that left foot to the mat. And then bring it up, set it down between your hands. Make your way into a kneeling lunge. Keep your hands on the mat, just sink your pelvis towards the floor. It might feel good to walk the hands back towards you. Maybe folding forward over that right leg. Reach through the ball of the big toe, the inner heel, pull the pinky toe back towards you, keep the legs straight. Maybe sink the hips back a little bit more. Walk your hands back to a kneeling lunge. Bring that right leg back to your hands and knees, tuck the toes under, make your way back up to downward facing dog. Hips up, shoulders down. Spinning your elbows down towards the ground, letting the head hang so heavy that you're looking at your thighs. And then lift that left leg up. Spin the pinky toe down towards the floor. Squeeze that leg in, step it up. Go to a kneeling lunge on the left side. Really working to sink your hips down towards the ground. Maybe walk that left foot out to give a little bit more space for your belly. Walk your hands back, straighten the left leg, fold forward over the left leg. Pull this right hip in so it's in line with that right knee. Sink back, folding forward over the left leg. Walk your hands forward. See if you can scoot that right leg back a little bit more, maybe. Good. Bring that left leg back. And then just walk your hands back, come up onto your knees. You just want to stretch that right leg out. Have the toes pointed out, turn the palm of the right hand up. Look off to the left side, just bring that left arm up, sliding that right hand on down that right arm. Bringing the right shoulder forward as you bring that left shoulder back. Go into gate pose. Great job. Come back up and then bring that left hand down to the floor. Go into a supported side plank. Maybe stretch that right arm up, have the arms in alignment with the shoulders. Take that left hip, push it forward. If you're feeling it, no pressure here. Maybe stack your feet, go into full side plank, whatever works best for you today. Come out of it, come back up, switch sides. The left leg out, turn the palm of the left hand up, bring the right arm up, look off to the right side, slide that left hand down the left leg. Keep pulling that left shoulder forward, bringing that right shoulder back. Looking off to the right side. Come up out of the pose. Bring the right hand under you. Take that right hip, push it forward so that the hip is right over that knee. Point those left toes forward. Maybe bring that left arm up. Maybe stack the feet, if that works for you. If not, it's fine. Do what's best for you. Keep that arm strong no matter what you do. Keep lifting those hips up if you are doing the full plank. Come on back down. Drop both hands down to the mat. Make your way to child's pose. Just sink your hips back to your heels. Stretch your arms out. Check in with your breath. And then slowly bring yourself up, come forward. It might feel good to open up your chest here. Do a gentle little back bend. Come back. Slowly drop the hips down towards the heels. Come back up. Use your glutes to lift up. Open up the chest. Again, one more time. Come up, come forward, open up the chest. Nice work. Bring yourself to a seated position. Take a wider stance with your feet, and then bring your hands in front of you. Maybe walk your hands forward a little bit. Nice and easy. Maybe walk your hands over towards the right foot, folding forward over that right leg. Walk your hands over to the left foot, folding forward over that left leg. Come back to center. Make your way to the center of the mat and just lay back. Once you lay back, you can bend your right leg, bring your right ankle to your left leg, right by the knee. Lift that left leg up. Keep the left leg bent. Keep this right foot flexed. Pull the toes in towards the shin. Just lace your fingers together on that left leg as you gently pull that leg in towards you. Relaxing and releasing into the pose. Good job. Switch sides. Bring that left ankle to the right leg. Lift the right leg up. Lace the fingers together on the back of that right, or on the right knee, and just pull that leg in towards you. Keep the right foot flexed, the left foot flexed. Bring both feet back to the mat. Place your feet under your knees and make sure that your big toes are pointing forward. Just have some body awareness to know whether or not your big toes are pointing forward. Arms are stretched along your sides, palms face down. Press back into the floor, press your heels into the floor. Just lift your hips. Lift, lift, lift. Engage your glutes. Keep lifting. Keep the knees within the framework of the hips. Slowly come back down, one vertebrae at a time. Nice. Again, inhale, lift up, 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 up. Exhale, slowly come back down. We can do two more. Inhale, come up. Lift the hips, engage the glutes, open up the chest as you come up. Slowly come back down, one vertebrae at a time. Inhale, come back up. One vertebrae at a time. Slowly make your way back down. Nice work. Bring your arms out to your side and then just do little windshield wipers with your legs. Nice and easy. And then time for Shavasana. Just lay on your side. Use your arm to support your head. Keep your knees bent. Just check in with your breath for a moment. Slowly press your hand into the mat. Bring yourself to a comfortable seated position. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you feel better after this yoga practice. I know that pregnancy can be a tough time for some of us, and it's really important to find time for self-care. Thank you so much. Make sure that you leave a comment, like, and share this video with a friend. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.